Hello, my friends. It's time for calendar. So let's get started by clapping out our word January. Hands up. January. Great job, friends. Now let's look for some letters that we know in our word January. What is this letter? It's letter J. J makes the j sound like juice. What is this letter? It's letter A. A makes the sound like apple. What is this letter? It's letter N. N makes the sound like no. What is this letter? It's letter R. R makes the r sound like ring. And last, what is this letter? It's letter Y. Y makes the y sound for yellow. Way to go, friends. Let's see what number we're on today in our calendar. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're on number 20. 2 and a 0 put together make a 20. So now, what do you think should come next in our pattern? Well, let's find out. Let's say the pattern together. Mitten, hat, scarf. Mitten, hat, scarf. Mitten, hat, scarf. Mitten, hat, scarf. Mitten is next because our pattern for this month is mitten, hat, scarf. That's what keeps going and going and going. Good job, friends. Now let's look at our rhyming word. We have a snake. Did you know that snakes hibernate in the wintertime? They do. That's why we don't see snakes in the winter, because they're hibernating. They're sleeping. So I want you guys to think of a rhyming word that rhymes with snake. Okay? All right. Good job, friends. Let's go to subitizing. Let's practice our subitizing so we can tell real quick how many something is without having to count. How many is this? 5. Good job. How many? 3. How many? 1. How many? 2. How many? 4. How many? 3. How many? 2. And the last one, how many? 5. Way to go, friends. You're doing fabulous with subitizing. Now let's sing the weather song together. Oh, what is the weather? The weather, the weather. Oh, what is the weather? The weather today. So I want you guys to look outside and tell me, what type of weather is it at your house? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it sunny and cloudy? You look to see what type of weather you have at your house. All right, friends, let's read a word. Remember, we're reading it letter by letter, sound by sound. So let's look at the first letter. We have a B. B makes the b sound. So our word is going to start with b. A. A makes the a sound. B, a. Say it with me. B, a. Let's put them together. Ba, ba. We have ba. Now let's add the last letter sound. D, d. Bad, bad, bad. Put them together. Bad. We just read the word bad. Like a skunk. If a skunk came, he would smell very bad. Great work, friends. Pat yourselves on the back. Now let's do our math story for today. So we're going to be doing polar bears today. Well, how many polar bears do we need to put first? 2, because our number is 2. So I'm going to put 2 polar bears. And we need to add how many more? What is this number? 3. We need to add 3 more. So let's add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. I need to know how many polar bears are all together. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together we have 5 polar bears. So we need to practice writing our number 5. Number 5 has straight lines and curved lines. So first we start at the top, make a straight line down, curve around, and give it a hat. Just like that. So go ahead and practice writing your number 5s at home. Now let's go ahead and go to our letter of the week. Now V is a little tricky because it's hard to think of words that begin with the V sound. So we already have van, but some of my friends said words like vine. Vine makes the V sound. Pumpkins grow on vines. Vines are really long with leaves attached to them. So here is my vine. A long, long vine with leaves on it. Okay, here's our vine. And another one of my friends said the word volcano. Volcano starts with the V sound. So I'm going to get brown here and I'm going to make a volcano. I'm going to make an oval shape at the top. And then my line's going to come down like this. And we know that when volcanoes erupt, what comes out at the top? Lava. So I'm going to make lava shooting out from the top. Here is our word, volcano. Such great words that you were thinking of. So right now we have 3 V words. We have volcano, van, and vine. So for today, I want you guys to tell me what's a word that rhymes with snake, and tell me another word that begins with the V sound. All right, my friends, I can't wait to hear from you guys. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.